DeSoto is working good so far. It charge, the alternator works. I have gasoline, speedo works, oil pressure is good, and the temperature is good. So yeah, working good. And if the clock would work, it would show 2:30 in the morning. So when I said I'm working a lot during the warmer season, I'm not lying. I'm working a lot. So filming while driving isn't the smartest thing to do. So I'm going to concentrate on the driving. See you. Good day and welcome to this episode. Today we're going to change the door latch on this door. I haven't been able to open the door from the inside in 5-6 years. So I finally got around buying a good used door latch, and we're going to change that today. There are just a few of these screws in this one, in the surrounding, and I will take these off and this one so we can just pull this out. Just get something to get the pins out that's holding these. Just push this one in. Try to, yeah, and hammer a bit on this one. Yeah, I can hammer that all day long. Here it is. There it is. Yeah, smart. This is a police helicopter. So let's do the same with the other one. And by do the same I mean do the right thing, like so. Yeah, I dropped it. I know where it is. I see it. Found it. Ta-da! Put it behind and bend. Boop. Like so. There we go. So. I will take these two springs off so I don't lose them. Now we will loosen these 4 screws, unhook this. I will get the window up first. Like so. Yeah, cool. I will loosen these 4. Next, I will remove this lock from the inside. Just hammer that locking plate to the side, to the left side from here, and remove the lock, so I can get this out from the door. The lock is loose. Like so. I will show you what I did in there. So you see the grooves here, up there and down here. There's a locking plate sitting like that, or from this side. So I just hammer it that way and then pull this out from the door. Woo! I have to remove this one like that, and then unhook this little thing on here, and you have to pry it up like that and get it loose. It's hard to film from the inside of the door, but that's the way to loosen this one. Woo. So I got this one out. It was a bit fiddling to do. As you see here, this is not supposed to look like that. If you compare these two, these are broken off. So you have a lever in there that, let's see, unlock, that moves like this. And in here there is no such lever. So yeah, and you lock it by doing that. Door is locked, and you unlock it by opening from the inside. This is, and here is the outside lock, fits in that one. And look here, the lock is over here. So these are not the same, as you see. So I figured the easiest way is to grind this off and pry these up, remove this one, attach it here, because see, it looks the same, and take this one just off, this one off, and put these two back in here. Yeah, how hard can it be? Yay!
In 1935, baby boy would rock the world. Something about this record is never get old. Here comes the king. Stand aside. Here comes the king. Here comes the king. Stand aside. Stand aside. With guitar in hand, up front in the band. Here comes the king.
So I will test this in a very scientific way. Locked. There, locked. Yes. Unlocked. Yes. So. Oh, this is fun. So I will bend these back together. Like so. There we go. These as well. They will be bent this way. So, there we go. Locked. Yes. Unlocked. Yes. So, yeah. Cool. This is actually great. Hopefully we can... It's supposed to be like that. No, it's supposed to be like that. So, between this and this, I will just hammer this back together. This should be good. I will just find one of these washers. I have one lying here on the floor somewhere. Just a second. Here we go. So this washer is supposed to be here. I will do it this way here, and this arm will be on top of that over here, and this little thingy will go through to there. So I will clamp this back together. Oops. Probably easier to just tap, tap-a-roo, tap, tap-a-roo, like that. Open, lock, unlock, open. So yeah, it works. I'll just put a little weld, or am I? I will take a chisel and hammer this cross here, and that will be good enough. Is this called a chisel? Bang, bang, a dang, ding, dang, dang. Yeah, that's good. This will not come loose. The car is unlocked. I can open it from both sides, and I will lock the car like this. It's locked, and I will still locked, and I will unlock the car like that. Yeah, I did it. Wait, I'll just put this one back together in the car. This color, by the way, quite a nice shade of green. Not far from the Land Rover, I would say, but yeah, looking at the Land Rover now, the Land Rover is much darker than this is. So I'll keep the paint. I will even use these green screws because why not on a black car? It looks good. So back to the car. There was just one thing before I could remove this one that I didn't show you. It's a little screw down here holding the channel for the window, and I needed to take that away and push the channel away so I could remove this one. So I'm putting this one back. Now I can attach this one. Looks great with the green screws and things here, so I don't really mind. I think it looks great. So does this work? Yeah. So I can shut the door. So I'll put this back in. So this is going to be like that. So I'm going to put this one in like so. That's easier done than said. They couldn't have made this easy. No. But I think I got it quite good. Yeah. Yoo-hoo! Car is locked. I can open the car from the inside. I will just try. Locked. Yeah. Opens. Locked. There, it's locked. Yeah, even the lock works. Woohoo! So just put this back in. The window will go up again. So I will put the interior back in. So it works good. So it's locked from the inside. Yeah, cool. So the door latch I got from eBay about 5-6 years ago is finally in. So that's it for this episode. I'm getting along little by little with this car. So next time we'll see what I do then. Bye! Woo!